This collaborative instructional unit was developed for a 4th grade ELA class. The unit was based on one of the novels I used for reading instruction called The Kid Who Ran for President. After reading the novel and identifying plot, theme, and character traits, students will work on creating a Reader's Theater version of the novel. After reading the novel, students will work in groups to rewrite a part of the novel in drama form. The expectations are stated and they will choose group member roles. After choosing their roles, students will evaluate their understanding of drama and theme by taking a self-assessment in Google Forms. I can use this to determine the student's strengths and weaknesses and to assess their understanding of the expectations. Students are expected to familiarize themselves with the project and their role responsibilities. When students are working virtually, they will use this Google Docs space to discuss their ideas and begin putting together the plan for their slideshow. For example, students in Group 1 are responsible for chapters 1 through 3. This is the area they will use to discuss ideas. When it's time to begin working on the actual project, they will work in Google Slides to create their own slideshow that includes their scenes, characters, dialogue, and stage directions. Here they can add slides, change the background and theme, add images and text boxes. At any point during the unit, students can post questions on this page that the teacher or other students can answer. Students can refer to this page often to be sure they are including all elements needed to successfully complete their project. The rubric will be used to grade the Google slideshows that are collaboratively created by the student groups. When the project is complete, students take one more Google Form survey to let the teacher know how the team worked as a group and how each team member performed. The group assessment will be used to assign individual group members a participation and teamwork grade. I am confident that any teacher would be able to modify this unit to fit their classroom. It could be used with any novel with a few adjustments. This collaborative project is a culminating activity to evaluate the students' understanding of the concepts learned during instruction, as is evident by the topic and essential questions. Common Core and ISTE standards covered by this unit are listed, as well as objectives written using Bloom's taxonomy. Assessments include a student self-assessment, which will serve as a pretest to determine how students feel about the concepts and materials they are asked to create. A group assessment will be used to evaluate group cooperation and participation. Formative assessments will take place during the project through the question area and through observations by the teacher of the planning and project areas. The summative assessment will be the final Google slideshow, which will be evaluated using the rubric. Students will gain a more thorough understanding of how characters and theme are connected by using dialogue. They are creatively applying the skills they have been learning by rewriting the novel from a different perspective, but still maintaining the same theme. They will learn how to use Google Drive, which includes docs, forms, and slides. After starting the project in class, they will learn how to continue their work virtually and work collaboratively to finish in the allotted time. Their finished slideshow will be an original project based on their learning and teamwork.